Imagine sitting in a quiet room, the air thick with anticipation and perhaps a touch of anxiety. You're surrounded by others, each lost in their own thoughts, their faces reflecting a mix of hope and apprehension, waiting for a diagnosis that could change your life in profound and unexpected ways. The weight of the unknown presses down, each tick of the clock amplifying the uncertainty. The door opens, not a doctor as you might expect, but a sleek modern machine rolls in, ready to deliver the news. Its presence is both intriguing and unsettling. It's analyzed your scans, blood work, every data point meticulously examined, and history with superhuman precision, sifting through mountains of information in mere seconds. The diagnosis and treatment plan are calculated, not by a fallible human, but by an algorithm trained on more medical knowledge than any human could ever learn in a lifetime. It's a vast, ever-expanding database of medical insights. This isn't science fiction conjured up for entertainment. It's already happening in clinics and hospitals around the globe, quietly revolutionizing patient care. Generative artificial intelligence is driving this shift, reshaping the landscape of medicine as we know it, promising faster diagnoses, more accurate assessments, and truly personalized medicine tailored to your unique genetic makeup. It could spot diseases before symptoms even appear, offering a chance for early intervention and potentially life-saving treatment. Tailor treatments to your DNA, maximizing effectiveness and minimizing side effects, and bring expert care to remote places, bridging the gap in healthcare access for underserved communities. But with this incredible promise comes a sense of unease, a nagging question in the back of our minds. Can we truly trust a machine devoid of human emotion with something as precious as our health? Medicine has always relied on human empathy, intuition, and a deep understanding of the patient as a whole person. Can an algorithm, no matter how sophisticated, truly grasp the fear, the vulnerability, or the unwavering hope reflected in a patient's eyes? Before we blindly trust AI with our well-being, we must understand with clarity and precision what it is, how it works, and what it can realistically do. We need to look past the media hype and sensationalized headlines and the inherent fear of the unknown, and carefully examine its real capabilities, its potential benefits, and its inherent limitations. The journey into the world of generative AI in medicine is a journey into the uncharted territory of the future of our well-being and longevity. The choices we make now, the regulations we implement, will profoundly shape healthcare for generations to come, leaving a lasting legacy for our children and grandchildren. Are we truly ready to trust machines, these complex algorithms, with the very essence of our lives? For years, AI in medicine was primarily focused on pattern recognition, a powerful tool, but limited in scope. It was about identifying trends and correlations within vast amounts of data, spotting tumors in medical images, flagging anomalies in patient data, and assisting doctors with diagnoses. These were the hallmarks of AI's early contributions to healthcare. Now a new wave of innovation has arrived, generative AI. This marks a significant leap forward. It doesn't just analyze existing information, it creates entirely new content and solutions. It's a shift from passive observation to active generation. It can draft comprehensive doctor's notes, summarizing patient visits, and outlining treatment plans with remarkable accuracy. It can synthesize complex research findings, identifying key insights and connections across countless studies, saving researchers valuable time. And even design new drugs, predicting molecular interactions and identifying promising candidates for clinical trials. This creative power is fundamentally transforming medicine, offering unprecedented opportunities for advancement. Tools like Google's MedPalm 2 and IBM's Watson are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, demonstrating the immense potential of generative AI in healthcare. From passing rigorous medical exams with flying colors, showcasing its deep understanding of medical knowledge, to dramatically accelerating the pace of drug discovery, bringing life-saving treatments to patients faster. DeepMind's AI has even solved the protein folding problem, a monumental achievement that has eluded scientists for decades. This breakthrough is revolutionizing our understanding of disease at the molecular level, paving the way for new therapies and preventative measures. Generative AI learns from massive data sets. The more data it has, the more accurate and insightful it becomes. This includes textbooks, research articles, detailed patient records, and a wealth of other medical information. By absorbing the language, the nuances, and the complexities of medicine, it develops a deep understanding of the field. It can efficiently summarize vast amounts of research for doctors, providing them with the information they need to make informed decisions. It can also draft detailed clinical trial protocols, streamlining the research process and accelerating the development of new treatments. And it can even create synthetic patient data for training purposes, allowing medical professionals to hone their skills in a safe and controlled environment. This isn't just smarter software. It's a paradigm shift in how we approach healthcare. It's a new kind of intelligence that augments human expertise, empowering doctors and researchers to achieve more than ever before. The implications of generative AI in medicine are profound and far-reaching, promising to reshape the future of healthcare. We can anticipate faster research breakthroughs, more effective training programs for medical professionals, and more personalized care for patients. Generative AI is here, and it's poised to change medicine from the inside out, revolutionizing every aspect of the field. The dawn of this new era is upon us, bringing with it both immense opportunities and important considerations. Are we ready to embrace the transformative potential of generative AI and navigate the ethical challenges that lie ahead? The future of medicine depends on it. How does a machine learn to think like a doctor? It's a question that pushes the boundaries of artificial intelligence and medical science. How can we imbue a computer with the knowledge, intuition, and diagnostic skills of a seasoned physician? Generative AI is trained on millions of data points. This includes medical images, from X-rays and MRIs to CT scans, lab reports filled with complex biochemical markers, and comprehensive patient histories detailing symptoms, treatments, and outcomes. It builds intricate neural networks, complex mathematical models inspired by the brain's own architecture, constantly refining its understanding with every new case it encounters, learning from successes and failures alike. Unlike a human doctor who learns from thousands of patients over a career, AI learns from millions worldwide, accessing a vast repository of medical knowledge. It can spot patterns that are too subtle or complex, buried deep within the data for any one person to detect. For example, it might find a hidden link, a correlation previously unnoticed between lifestyle and the onset or progression of a disease, by analyzing global data from diverse populations and environments. This learning never stops. It's a continuous process of refinement and discovery. As new research findings are published and new data emerge, the AI updates itself, adapting to the latest medical knowledge. The result is a dynamic, evolving system, constantly improving its accuracy and expanding its capabilities. It's always at the cutting edge, incorporating the newest breakthroughs in medical science. Doctors benefit from AI's insights, gaining access to a powerful diagnostic and analytical tool, and the outcomes of AI-assisted diagnoses and treatments feed back into the system, making it even smarter and more effective over time. It's a self-improving engine, not just for diagnosis, but for medical discovery itself. The power of AI lies in its ability to see what humans can't, to identify patterns and connections that would otherwise remain hidden, and crucially, to keep learning, adapting, and improving with each new piece of information. This is not just a tool, this is the future of medical expertise, a future where AI and human doctors work together to provide the best possible care. Generative AI is already transforming clinical practice. In radiology, AI scans thousands of images, flagging abnormalities for review and reducing doctors' workload. AI chatbots offer mental health support, providing 24/7 access and triaging those in need. In public health, AI predicts disease outbreaks by analyzing data from hospitals, labs, and even social media. During COVID-19, AI helped forecast infections and accelerate vaccine development. These tools are making medicine more efficient, precise, and accessible right now. The benefits of generative AI in medicine are immense: speed, accuracy, and efficiency. AI can analyze genomes or medical records in seconds, leading to faster diagnoses and drug discoveries. It detects patterns invisible to humans, catching diseases earlier and saving lives. But there are risks. Bias in data can lead to unequal care, and accountability for AI errors is unclear. Most importantly, AI lacks empathy, the human touch that builds trust and heals. Over-reliance on machines could dehumanize medicine, reducing patients to data points. The challenge is to harness AI's power while preserving human connection. We must guard against bias, ensure accountability, and keep empathy at the heart of care. The goal isn't just smarter machines, but a smarter, more compassionate healthcare system. Ignoring risks is reckless. Ignoring benefits is a disservice to patients. The path forward demands wisdom, caution, and respect for both technology and humanity. The future of medicine depends on how we balance these forces. The future of medicine isn't man versus machine, it's collaboration. AI provides technical precision, analyzing data and spotting patterns, while doctors interpret results and guide care. This is augmented intelligence technology empowering human experts. AI handles routine tasks, freeing doctors to focus on deeper thinking and patient connection. The doctor's role evolves, less about memorizing facts, more about integrating insights and caring for people. Together, AI's accuracy and human empathy create a healthcare system greater than the sum of its parts. This is the true promise, a symphony of silicon and soul working in harmony for the patient. As technology advances, will our doctors be replaced by machines? AI could one day mimic empathy and ethical reasoning, even outperforming humans in some tasks. But healing is more than efficiency. It's about connection, comfort, and trust. The future likely isn't full replacement but transformation. Human doctors will focus on complex problem-solving and empathy, while AI handles routine diagnostics. Tomorrow's checkup might start with AI, but end with a meaningful conversation with a human doctor. The robot manages data, the human delivers care. The future is ours to shape. We stand at a crossroads in medicine's history. Generative AI offers the chance to eradicate disease and personalize care, but it also raises tough ethical questions. How do we ensure fairness, protect privacy, and keep humans accountable? These are questions for all of us, patients, doctors, and policymakers. The most important question, what balance of technology and human touch do we want? Our choices now will define the future of healthcare. Generative AI is a tool. Its impact depends on our wisdom and compassion. The future of medicine will be defined by the depth of our humanity. What kind of future will you choose?